Hi guys, I'm Reena Gupta, the founder of Soul Monkey, and we have with us.
And I'm Dr. Mickey Mehta, your leading holistic health guru. And guess what? The soul is going to stir and the monkey is about to leap. The Soul Monkey is all about wellness, and wellness. Okay, so tell me, Reena, how did the Soul Monkey idea come to your mind?
So, fitness and wellness is the need of the hour because of the pandemic. So, I was like, why not start something that helps people mentally, physically, and spiritually grow? And I thought of coming up with a wellness community called Soul Monkey. We also have the government's Fit India movement, and we thought, why not add value to that?
And we should pledge.
Correct.
We should pledge our responsibility towards fitness, health, wellness and well-being.
That's
so
right.
let our soul settle and let's do some monkey business with fitness.
Absolutely, Mickey. That's right.
Okay, Reena, show me your hands.
Why?
I want to see your palms. Okay, तुमने बहुत बर्तन मांजे. Did you really?
बहुत मांजे मिकी मैं तो मान के तंग आ गई बिल्कुल. The lockdown, I tell you, things really changed a lot for most of us. Okay, because we had no help. We were washing vessels, we were cleaning the floors. By the way, I went to shop for vegetables. I had no clue what the onions were priced at, and
Wow.
now I even know that. So
same thing with me. I thought something as simple as a coriander would cost nothing. But literally, pandemic, supplies were bad, and we had to pay a high price, but we realized the value of life.
absolutely.
We realized how much our Kamwali buys, how much our drivers,
They
how
have
much
to
our
work so
peons
hard,
and
that's
maids,
true.
they work so hard. We missed you all, guys, we missed you.
Totally, I absolutely agree. We miss them totally. But now, having said that, we need to value lives. We need to take care of our health. And having said that, we need to wake up in the mornings. We need to sunbathe. We need
Absolutely.
to.
We have to take air bath, sun bath,
Absolutely.
breathe for breakfast.
That's nice.
Have
That's
breath
a
for
good
breakfast.
one. Yeah.
Look into the deep sky, listen to the chirping of the birds,
That's
and see
right.
the way wellness comes into you.
And enjoy nature totally.
Absolutely.
And completely. That's right, Mickey.
Absolutely. You didn't want to check my hands? क्योंकि मैंने पापड़ बेले.
तूने खाली पापड़ बेले और कुछ भी नहीं किया. I'm going to call up your wife and check her hands.
You know, actually, I became a champion at making salads and soups. I also became a champion at making sandwiches. So,
Wow.
you know, that's my core competence today in food making. And so I'll give you a very quick Bombay sandwich recipe.
Please.
So multigrain bread
Okay.
or any millet bread. Then have your basil chutney. Then have your fresh butter without salt. And put beetroots, potato, avocado, tomato, peppers, lettuce, and load the sandwich and grill it.
Yummy.
Make it golden brown. Make some good tomato ketchup at home. So you know how? Boil tomatoes, blend tomatoes, put some jaggery, cinnamon, little garlic, little ginger, and there you go. A sandwich with great tomato ketchup. Now you give me some soup recipe which you did or whatever you did.
Some soup recipe. I'll give you the recipe of my favorite all pepper soup. Grill the peppers on the gas stove.
All right.
And after that, you mix some garlic, some onions, and that's it. Just mix, just churn everything up, and then sieve it. And it's so good because peppers are very good for people who are diabetic. You know, it's very low in calories. I'm sure you know that because
Absolutely,
it's got so much of
absolutely.
water in it.
Absolutely,
But
great
at this-
enzymes.
You know, I don't think many people make soups with something as basic as a pepper. You know.
So I think pepper is also very good for cold countries, winters, and this is where a pepper soup and a cheese toast probably.
Yeah, you can
for
throw
a
in
night
a, yeah,
meal.
exactly. In fact, you can also throw in a carrot. You know, so
Super.
yeah.
Dangle a carrot anywhere and things become very interesting. So that's very nice to know.
That's right.
Tell me, you know, typical Indians for vitamin C shots, we have avla juice
Absolutely.
or shikanji.
Right.
What's your favorite?
My favorite for vitamin C is shikanji with
Wow,
yeah, of
delicious.
course, lemon juice, but I don't add sugar to it. Instead, I add
Honey? Jaggery?
yes.
Jaggery.
So I add this jaggery that we get from Calcutta.
Wow.
It's like dark brown in color.
The real
and
organic one.
It's very nice, exactly. And this shikanji actually doesn't taste like shikanji. Instead, it tastes like sugarcane juice. You know,
Wow.
and we add ginger to it. We add some masalas to it, and trust me, it's amazing. And it's my mother-in-law's recipe. It's fantastic.
And the icing on the cake would be to add some basil seeds to it, let them swell, cool down
Yummy.
inside. The atmosphere and environment outside is very hot.
Yeah, that's
We
true.
need to cool down. And cooling your stomach once in a way, making it alkaline, is very good for immunity.
Absolutely.
And vitamin C. Great shikanji recipe, guys. You can try it at home and thank Reena Gupta's Soul Monkey for this wonderful drink.
Absolutely.
I mean, food and drinks are very, very interesting, but I'm sure you guys also stretched, worked out, bounced, danced, pranced, sang songs, laughed together.
Absolutely, Mickey. I so agree with you. So, this is something very interesting I want to share. I actually made a bucket list of things to do, you know, and every day we do different things with the family, and every day something happened, I tick that off.
Wow.
So, because we all know that, you know, we hadn't spent that kind of quality time with the fams. And after I did this bucket list, you know, I ticked everything. Like, for example, we had like a games night, we had like a cooking thing, we did a wine and cheese thing one day, we had singing sessions at home. I actually wrote poetry one day. Yeah, that's.
Wow.
I never thought I could write poetry, but yeah, that was fun. I started learning to play the flute, you know, during lockdown.
This is so good.
Yeah,
So the
exactly.
monkey is creative and the monkey is meticulous.
Absolutely.
And also, so let me tell you, this particular episode is all about how can you make your mind your medicine. Recreate, recreate, sing, dance, fun, breathe, stretch, and release your stress.
To that note, I want to ask you something, Vicky.
Tell me.
Now that you know what the monkey has done, I want to know what the mouse did.
Okay, so I'll tell you, Mickey Mouse, the way my name is, I like to run around a lot. And
For sure.
I typically did a lot of running around in our small home, and it was fun because harassing everyone, right from my wife to my child to my mother-in-law.
So
and,
sweet.
and of course, most importantly, we did literally dance. We literally laughed a lot. I literally went poking fingers into the armpits of my daughter and my wife.
sweet.
And lots of cuddles, lots of hugs. And of course, we played Antakshari. And I did something very creative. I taught them how to do pranayam while doing Antakshari.
Oh my God, that's so
So this is
interesting.
like you take a deep breath and you sing a song. So your words are the displacement of air. So okay, I'll give you an example. So take a deep breath. हम तुमसे मिले. Then take a deep breath. फिर जुदा हो गए. Take a deep breath. देखो फिर मिल गए. अब हो के जुदा. फिर मिले ना मिले. Okay, I'm not here to sing. I was just showing you
But
how to do
I could
pranayam.
hear that. That was so amazing.
So
I
you-
loved it, Vicky. You have some other skills as well.
Well,
Not
well, well.
bad at all.
And I'm sure you did some bhajan kirtans at home, you did some singing, praying, satsangs. I don't know, I've heard some people that they said that morning and evening, some neighbors got together at safe distance and they were doing bhajans, kirtans, and any kind of satsang is very good for wellness. You know, it takes your life away from madness and brings you to wellness because people getting together, people singing and singing the songs of deities and glory to lords and gods certainly uplifts the vibrations, certainly
Absolutely.
uplifts the energy.
The energies of human beings. I so agree with you.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So tell me, what are your other talents, Mickey,
My other
besides Mickey-mizing and exercising, maximizing?
So I'm a shire also.
Oh, really?
So there's a very good Hindi shairi which has had an impact on me and influenced me a lot. It goes like this. तूफानों से नजरें मिलाओ, सैलाबों पे वार करो, मल्लाहों का चक्कर छोड़ो, चीर के दरिया पार करो.
वाह.
वाह 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 वाह.
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
I mean, this also, brings a very good saying to my mind, a very good quote to my mind, which says like this: heights by great men reached and kept were not attained in sudden flights, for they, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. Maybe like your husband, maybe like your father-in-law.
Mickey, first of all, when I sit with you, I need a dictionary with me. How well read are you? But that's amazing, right? That's because of all his wellness and all the foods he eats, all the lifestyle he's led for so many years. And I think it's all a culmination of everything.
And let me tell you one thing, guys, that a sense of responsibility should be learned from Reena Gupta. So when she started Soul Monkey, and when she decided that the objective, mission, vision is going to be wellness, 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 she then pledged to become a qualified yoga instructor. Such a great sense of responsibility.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
thank you.
Mickey.
So when is the program getting over? I guess this month.
No, it's a 2-month program, but
Okay.
honestly speaking, it's really amazing, and I'm doing it with the Yoga Institute. I'm learning so much over there. They're like basic things. I really never imagined I could do it. Like, for example, I actually learned how to read my own pulse.
Pulse.
You know, and we'd always like look for oximeters and things like that during the pandemic, but now I can read it, you know, and you read it for 15 seconds and then you multiply it by 4 is what they say.
Yeah.
You know?
And it's so interesting that air is free in abundance. Breathe today so that you don't have to wait in queue to buy tomorrow. Isn't that
Amazing.
right?
So well said.
And Reena, one other thing I like about you, that although one side of you is very simple, very simple and very straight and very calm and cool, collected, the other side of you is very glamorous. And
Thank you.
recently you worked for China NC at Land's End. So tell me more about the experience. Was it the first time? A. B. What was your thought process and what were you showcasing? And why do you think Fashion Quotient can add something to your confidence?
So, Mickey, that's a very interesting question. Years ago, before I got into wellness and everything, I was actually into fashion.
Really?
Yeah, so I used to do clothes.
Don't miss a yellow color.
Yeah, the bling.
The bling.
Yeah, so I was into fashion, and I've done shows. So I've always been behind the scenes. I've never walked on stage, but I've always done clothes for the models who walked on stage.
All right.
You know, so that was interesting. I've done ads and things like that, but again, for the models, I have never walked or featured in anything. But this was very interesting because Shaina did it for artisans. I mean, they've all been, everybody's been out of business thanks to the pandemic. And now, and everybody also likes dressing up and going out and things like that. So to support the
Cause,
artisans,
yeah.
you know, she did this noble cause wherein, everybody wore their beautiful embroidered saris and they walked on the ramp, including me. And it indeed was a beautiful affair because we had women from all backgrounds, also all age groups. So I really thank Shaina for something like that. It was great fun.
A great cause, also bringing out confidence again, supporting the artisan weavers
Absolutely.
or, great industry support. So there is one more thing about you, that you're very colorful, that when we were shooting yesterday, the promos, you were wearing a lovely pink jacket. Today you're wearing a lovely lemon, great shimmers. To add on it, you have some purple. Is that purple?
Yeah, I mean, it's a magenta. Yeah.
So great colors. So are you colorful inside, outside? What drives you towards choosing colors? By the way, guys, colors also soothe your mind and uplift your moods. So looking at rich colors and natural colors really changes the environment and makes you happy. So tell me more about it.
So I totally agree with you, Mickey. I am the kind of a person who doesn't believe in wearing very dull shades, because I think that if I wear those dull shades, my mood for the day becomes like that. So I
Okay.
like wearing these bright colors, like hot pink and yellows and things like that. I really, really like it because it just sort of uplifts my energy and my state of mind. So yeah, I totally agree with what
So
you're
I
saying.
think I'm complimenting you very well today. I mean, you are wearing yellow and black. I'm wearing black, so I'm complimenting your yellow.
Totally agree.
And that makes it a Soul Monkey fitness
look.
taxi.
Yeah,
Hire
absolutely.
us, please, for your fitness, health, wellness, and well-being needs.
And it
because
so goes with the backdrop as well,
absolutely.
right? Yeah.
And we promise you that Dr. Mickey Mehta and Soul Monkey will
Together,
take you
yeah.
up the ladder of evolution to get energized, maximized, optimized, and to get
Mickey
Mice. Well, the show doesn't stop here. There's lots to come.
So Mickey, since we're here at my favorite place, Foo,
Okay.
or rather our favorite place, Foo, which is a Pan-Asian restaurant in Bombay, we have some of our delicious dishes.
Yeah.
So tell me, what would you like to start with?
Ladies first, and I'm sure you would like that vegan sushi.
Of course, that looks so
Amazing.
yummy.
And
So you know why I like this vegan sushi so much?
yeah, tell me.
Because it's got black rice in it, and black rice is not only gluten-free, but it's also very healthy. It aids in weight loss. I'm sure you know that. It helps fight cancer. It's very good for diabetes, and yeah,
It's great for immunity.
immunity as
Great
well.
for vitality. And of course, the sushi put together, the whole thing. We always say that the sum total of the whole is more than the whole. So this sushi, I'm sure, is very nutritious, very delicious, and our recommendation.
Yes.
But you know what I normally enjoy when I come to Foo? The AA salad. So arugula, avocado, blueberries, pumpkin, mushrooms, edamame, cherry tomatoes, and nut flakes. It's amazing. It is amazing. You know, salads need not be full of cream and
Dressings.
wet, and little moisture is just perfect.
Yeah.
And this salad has a very light tint of wasabi, wakes you up, excites you, thrills you, and helps you digest all the fiber in this plate.
Absolutely. So this is unlike the other very creamy salads and very fattening salads. This retains the properties of all the produce in it, and at the same time, it is delicious, guys.
And while you're sipping your drinks, don't miss out on edamame beans, because edamame beans are very nutritious, great plant source protein.
Absolutely.
And green, full of chlorophyll, easy to digest, but of course, steam them, put some rock salt into it, put a little bit of lemon, little bit of tamarind juice, and it would be wonderful. But of course, at Foo, you get it only with sea salt. So enjoy your edamame the way it is.
So yeah, Mickey, this was the food for thought.
That's so fine. I mean, you're also very creative. Is that a rub-off or your...
Exactly. It's your company that's doing this to me, Mickey.
No, I think it's the yellow of the sun that is shining from within. And let me tell you that after food, you feel like sleeping. Let's not sleep, let's simply meditate. So come on, get into just spine straight a little bit. So guys, we'll do a little bit of meditation, guided meditation, which will calm you, collect you, put you together, integrate you, and make you alive, and ease all your stresses. So let your monkey be relaxed and let your soul be settled, right?
And the mouse as well.
Yes, and the mouse has to be in the trap.
Mouse in the trap. Like that.
Okay guys, so here we go. We shut our eyes. We take a deep breath. We let go the breath. Do that 2 more times. Take a deep breath. We let go the breath. And the 3rd time we take a deep breath. We let go the breath. And now that you've let go on so much from within and without, simply smile. So Barfi. Now the mental application will be, when you take your breath in, you will be breathing in courage and breathe out your weaknesses. And when you breathe in strength, you will breathe out your feebleness. Now breathe in energy with a smile and breathe out your fatigue and exhaustion. Now breathe in love and breathe out resentments, hatred, detest, etc. Breathe in faith and breathe out your doubts and anxiety. Now breathe in hope and breathe out all your insecurities and uncertainties. Now forgive yourself by breathing in and forgive this world by breathing out. Let go of the knots of the body, let go of the knots of the mind, let go of the knots of the emotions. Feel easy, breathe easy, open your eyes. Let the dis-ease transform into ease. Let the disorder transform into order. And let the whole orchestration of this being vibrate and throb with us, the throb of our heart, the throb of this earth, and the throb of this universe. And with this, I'm sure you got energized,
Maximized,
optimized, and
And
with
with
Soul
Soul
Monkey,
Monkey,
we've all got Mickey Mice.
So Mickey, I remember when we were in discussions with regard to our first episode, you spoke about mind is medicine.
Yes.
So I'm very intrigued about what that line means.
So, pandemic changed the perspective of life completely. So earlier for us, mind was thinking. Earlier for us, mind was creativity. Now in this pandemic, ever since March 22nd, if I vaguely remember, 2020, our lockdown started, mind became anxious. Mind became worrisome. Mind became temperamental. Mind was agitated. Mind was discontentment. And so many other negatives were added to this mind. And I said, we can turn this around and flip it very positively. So let's be optimistic in life. And a good breath, like, can switch on your mind from being dragged into the past to be very optimistic about the future. A fragrance of something green as natural as this literally can uplift your mood, because after all, you're smelling in chlorophyll, you're smelling in the earth element. Looking at a lovely salad, these colors, this stimuli, once again there is medicine. Mind becomes medicine. So there is transformation. Your biochemistry changes. Also, when you wake up in the morning, you listen to the chirping of the birds and there is absolute silence. Once again, the sound of chirping of the birds releases happy hormones.
So you're saying that anything to do with nature,
Anything to do with elements also,
correct?
nature.
So that can actually trigger a healing effect? Is that what you're trying to say?
Everything to do with nature and elements always triggers and stimulates a healing response. So remember one thing, that a healing response is always within. Whenever your body, mind and spirit encounters anything that is natural, anything that is calm, soothed, collected, full of color, full of texture, full of flavor naturally, it will uplift your mood. Try eating a lychee sometimes. Try eating mangoes. The other day you gave me a very good Langda mango, and Langda mango was so delicious, so sweet.
Yeah.
Now the fructose of the mango, the color of the mango, the yellow color, the same color she's wearing now, and the delicious taste, the flavor of that mango literally release my stress. So food, good food can release your stress. Food can translate into creativity, translate into thoughts. That translates into a great attitude. Attitude can translate into confidence. Confidence can translate into self-conviction. And all this put together through your mind, when it becomes a medicine, it builds characters and personalities. So, mind can be medicine, singing can be a medicine, a laughter can be a medicine. Let's laugh together. So, you know, we normally, we can laugh at each other. Let's make the audience laugh? Let's start.
You do that.
Okay, I'll do that. So guys, listen, sit with your spine straight, hands here open, shoulders relaxed, okay? And breathe easy. Let go. Once you've let go on, take a deep breath and bellow your stomach twice. Hoo, hoo. Ha, ha. It happens so naturally. So let's do it. Let's try this. Take a deep breath. Hoo, hoo. And take a deep breath. Ha, ha. Okay, now literally, this can help your diaphragm move 12 to 13 centimeters, can make you quell off all the carbon dioxide from your 5 lobes of your lungs. So no stale gases within you.
Wow.
And once you are released with all the gases unwanted, you breathe in fresh air, fresh oxygen, 20% saturation of oxygen inside. And 5 liters is your vital capacity of your lungs. Come on, let's breathe, roll on the floor, and let's do hoo hoo ha 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 ha. So, you know, this mechanical getting into splits and laughing and smiling, Barfi literally increases your thymus gland response, increases your B cells response, and of course all your immunoglobulins, they begin to secrete so naturally. Because once you ease out with your laughter, everything flows, everything is in a rhythm. And remember one thing, the word rhythm comes from Hriday. So when your heart is happy,
I was going to say rhythm comes from within.
Hriday. Rhythm comes from within. Oh my God. यहाँ कोई कलाकार बन रहा है.
बन रहा है, exactly.
Okay, so this rhythm, now let's try this like when we did in our childhood. Come on. Come on.
Bye, Mickey.
Alright, so play games at home. Make mind your medicine. Be creative, be productive, and be a leader of sorts. And then you can always get energized, maximized, and with Soul Monkey, get Mickey-mized.
Like, share, subscribe
to Soul Monkey.